How to fix Apple ID verification code not received. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can fix Apple ID verification code not received. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. So the first step is you will actually need to check your Wi-Fi connection. So for that, you can simply pull down from your top right corner on your control center and head over to your Wi-Fi settings. So you can head over to your Wi-Fi settings, and on your Wi-Fi settings you can reconnect to a stronger or more stable internet connection. And yeah, after you connect, just try to get your verification code again. If that does not work, what you can do is you can head back, and after you head back you will need to head over to your general on your settings. Tap on general, and after you tap on general, scroll down, and there you'll find VPN and device management. Tap on it, and after you're here, if you're connected to any VPN, simply disconnect from it, and if you're not connected to any VPN, you are good to go. So after you do that, if you are pretty sure that you are not getting the code due to network related issues, you can scroll down on your general again, head over to transfer reset iPhone, and tap on reset, and then reset your network settings. There you'll see reset network settings. Tap on it and reset your network settings. After you do that, what you'll then need to do is, first, after you've done all of the things that I've told you, you'll need to head over to your general again. So let's head over to general again and head over to software update. Tap on it, and after you tap on software update, update your software, and yeah, your device will just install the new updated iOS version, and after that you can try to get your verification code again and your problem should get fixed. Thanks for watching guys, that's all for today's video. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye.